What if there is a system to help improve in-class and out-of-class lesson delivery, to help improve classroom record keeping, to help improve one-on-one student teaching strategies, to help improve parent-teacher communication, to provide multiple professional development resources, to provide cross-cultural teaching experiences, to provide additional credit assignments, to provide continuous third-party funding for the district, institution, and school, to provide personal income in 2 ways, online video tutorial services and continuous commissions from the sales of Onpassive products. That system is here. An all-in-one educator's platform. Mr. Mufareh, CEO and owner of the AI IT company, and IT engineers have done it. Educators and schools of all levels, daycare to universities around the globe, are about to change how the world's next generations will have the freedom to break barriers. Explore multicultural curriculums and customize time-saving and relevant studies. Onpassive's Ocademy, Oconnect, Ostaff, and Obless. The 4 foundational platforms of choice. O-Founders, the global organization of 1.2 million like-minded visionaries, now, for the first time ever, can be your children's future of success.